What's going on, everyone? It's Marsellis back with another video. We got to talk about Shiba Inu today. Shiba Inu actually has some big news going on, so we might see a return in an actual reverse inside of these prices. So Shiba Inu chart is probably about to look a lot different than this very soon. Anyways, hit the like button, subscribe. It really helps the YouTube channel out immensely for the YouTube algorithm. And remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice. Definitely leave a comment in the comment section and let me know what you all want me to go over next. If you want to help support the channel, go ahead and send a donation through the Cash App or the PayPal donation link in the description, or just hit the like button, subscribe, because that helps a lot too. And also, if you want these automated technical indicators, definitely check out the Vital Algo link in the description. Use the discount code Marsellis for 25% off. So I want to talk about stuff that's going on inside Shiba Inu right now. So right here on the oscillator, you can see, even though there's negative trading volume here, it's still bullish. Even though there's selling, it still shows bullish signs. So a lot of signals are being showed off here with SHIB. You're seeing oversold signals, slightly overbought signals. We're going between our supply and demand areas, the red area being less demand, the green area being more demands here inside Shiba Inu. So we actually might see a huge rise in price inside of Shiba Inu. Just the fact that we're stuck between these two areas, this hardly happens like for any cryptos. Like you hardly see them between these two areas, so tightly packed. So we might actually have some potential to rise here. Now, it does say the 24-hour market control is in control by the bears by 60%. And remember, all these indicators, they're all the vital algo indicators. So if you want this, definitely check out the link in the description. Like I said, discount code Marsellis for 25% off. But still, look at what we have going on here with SHIB. So we keep going on these uptrends, and then we keep getting rejected at the supply and demand areas, downtrends. So it really shows that we're really inside of a consolidation period, trying to find our standpoint here at Shiba Inu. Now you can see the Shiba Inu price over here up about 1.3% in the last 24 hours, only down 21% in the last 7 days. Not too bad over there, but Shiba Inu is still doing some very good numbers. Now, I want to show some stuff right here. Shiba Inu will post 200% gains once SHIB overcomes the 0.00006 area. Pretty much they're saying, like, look, once we pass this area, this is like the one area of resistance that we need to get past in order to become bullish again. And we're actually almost past that area here. Like if you look over here, we're at 0.00005553. So we're actually pretty close. All we need to do is get 5 more digits up and then we're there. So look, we actually had, when we went on this uptrend here and we broke out initially, we got above it. But you can see here, the lows are starting to become, stagnant. Pretty much what I'm saying here is the lows have already hit a pretty low point. So it's only a matter of time till we get the next leg up. It's only a matter of time till we have our next, it's just next random jump like this. So as the price broke out, like when we went all the way down here from 4,200, the price broke out all the way up here to 64, and now that we're down at 55, we're going to end up breaking back up to 60 or possibly the 70 area. So after that, we will see 200% gains. That's what the analysts are seeing here when looking at the charts. And I kind of see the same thing when I'm looking at these indicators. But anyways, our holders are actually about to grow over 1 million. So yesterday, we had 929,819 people in Shiba Inu, and today we have 934,354. So we're getting a lot of people every single day inside Shiba Inu. People are like really doubling down. Shiba Inu whales are buying lots of Shiba Inu. So we may see something really big in Shiba Inu. And there's actually been some talk in the Shiba Inu community about a certain listing that a lot of people know is more than likely going to happen soon. And this is Robinhood. So Robinhood Crypto COO talks 1.6 million crypto wallets, waitlist, pretty much the waitlist for the wallets. And they just had an email breach, and they're talking about how they're going to do security with their wallets. This is the COO here, and then, or the crypto COO. It's a difference. So over here, you got the Dogecoin. They talk Dogecoin, and she talks about pretty much how she likes how tight knit the Dogecoin community is, and how people need to stop making fun of REITs, or how people really need to stop making fun of meme investors, as they call them. And then she also talks about why they love community-based cryptos. And then when asked about SHIB, pretty much what she said is she likes the community around SHIB. She likes the fact that the SHIB community always addresses Robinhood about what they want. And over here, you can see this has 524,221 signs right here. That is a lot of people that signed it, and they have noticed. That's why I say these change.org petitions really work. They mentioned that she does stuff like this and really gathers the attention of Robinhood. But most importantly, she said what's more important for Robinhood is the safety and security of the investors. So she pretty much said they're not going to list anything that shows that it'll be bad for Robinhood's future. They're not looking for quick pump and dump schemes, pretty much what she's saying. And Sheep has pretty much proved to not be a pump and dump scheme. It's proved to have a community around it. It's proved that have a very good community as well, and she mentioned that. So we could possibly be seeing Sheep on Robinhood soon. She did mention that they're never going to let anyone know before they list anything. They're just gonna go ahead and do it. They're not gonna say anything about it. She said whenever they do things, they just do it. She said they're not gonna mention it. So she did say that. But she did say she likes the Shiba Inu community. She likes how they operate. She likes how they gather around and actually are a community-based crypto, because that's really where investing is going right now with cryptocurrencies, is going into community-based cryptos. So we actually might see Shiba Inu listed on Robinhood very soon. And then when asked about the competitors of Robinhood, about how, like public.com is doing stocks in crypto, Webull is doing stocks in crypto, all these other ones doing stocks in crypto, PayPal, you got the fintech stuff, PayPal, Cash App doing stock or cryptos now. When asked about that, they pretty much mentioned that they're more focused on the customers. The customers are the number one, which is pretty much the typical answer, but it's right, because they do have 24/7 support and for Robinhood. So they're really just focused on what's best for the customers. So right now, Shiba Inu is going so hard in the community. It would be best for them to list Shiba Inu, because the community is so strong and people really want it on Robinhood. And that's pretty much what we're gonna see here. I definitely believe they're gonna list Shiba Inu very soon. If you want to watch this, definitely just look up on Yahoo Finance. Robinhood crypto CEO talks 1.6 million crypto wallets, waitlist, Dogecoin, and Shiba Inu in NFTs. They may be getting in the NFT space as well, but most importantly, Shiba Inu. So yeah, definitely watch this. Around this area is when she started talking about Sheeb 829. And then you can hear exactly what they said. And pretty much she said they're not going to tell you when they list things, which kind of indicates that they might actually list Sheeb soon, but they're not going to mention it pretty much. But anyways, we may be getting Sheeb on Robinhood soon, so definitely keep looking out for that. We're literally listed everywhere else but there. Now, 524,000 people that signed this petition, we're definitely going to see something here very soon with Shiba Inu. And then the next thing with Shiba Inu and being accepted, Shiba Inu prepares to resume bull run as AMC Theaters explores accepting SHIB as payment. So this is about to be huge right here. So Shiba Inu whale adds $1.15 billion worth of SHIB tokens to its portfolio amidst ongoing Ethereum and Bitcoin bull run. So they've been talking about how people have been selling billions of Shiba Inu because they became billionaires out of it. But now what they're mentioning is people are buying billions now, even though they could have bought billions previously and became trillionaires. Literally, just think about if a billionaire came in, they would have become a trillionaire. But now you're seeing billionaires buying in at such a high price, which kind of indicates that Shiba Inu is not capped at its price. Shiba Inu is not capped at its market cap. The market cap is not capped out. So over here, you can see Shiba Inu at rank 11. We have right now 30 billion market cap. We're down below Doge a little bit, but still 30 billion market cap. That's a lot, but it's not the peak. We have not peaked the market cap. We just now seen $1.15 billion go into SHIB. We're seeing people put more and more money in SHIB because they see that there's actual potential with SHIB. Now, AMC Entertainment announces in their Q3 earnings call that they are exploring ways to accept SHIB payments at their theaters. So literally at theaters, you're going to be able to pay in Shiba Inu. So Shiba Inu has crossed over 930,000 holders. As you can see, we're at 934,000 now. Over 12% of new SHIB wallets were added when the meme coin was at its peak. So it's definitely not capped. The market cap is definitely not capped out. So yeah, Shiba Inu prepares for comeback in the current bull market. Ethereum and Bitcoin have resumed their climb upwards. And as you can see, everything's going crazy. Bitcoin at 67K, huge. Ethereum 4,700, huge. So we're doing big numbers all over here inside the current market. So really good news there. So the overall market capitalization has crossed $3 trillion, and Shiba Inu, the meme coin, is struggling to recover from the recent drop. But the number of Shiba Inu holders is still rising, even though that it's dropped. So over here, 930K, that's a lot. Ethereum whales and large whale wallet investors continue accumulating SHIB through the dip. So historically, accumulation by whales has fueled a bullish narrative for SHIB price. A Shiba Inu whale added $1.15 billion worth of SHIB to a wallet during the Bitcoin and Ethereum bull run. This move has turned investors bullish on the meme coin's price. Twitter is abuzz with the news of AMC theaters considering accepting SHIB as a means of payment. Adam Smith, CEO of AMC theaters, has hinted at SHIB listing. So there's another big thing over here. This is what he said with a Twitter poll. As you know, you can now purchase AMC gift cards using cryptocurrency, and our IT group is writing code out so that we can accept online payments in Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and Dogecoin, among others. Should we strive to take Shiba Inu too? People, 81% say yes for sure, and not a lot of people are saying no. So that definitely says something about SHIB. SHIB has a strong community. So we're about to get listed on Robinhood. We're about to get this over here with AMC, this whole deal worked up. This is about to be really good news for SHIB. And over here in the Q3 earnings call, AMC Theaters revealed that they are exploring the possibility of accepting SHIB. So we're about to see a lot of big stuff here. Experts have criticized the centralized nature of SHIB, where 10 wallets hold 72% of circulating supply. But I mean, even with Doge, it's the same thing with Doge. I mean, it's the same thing with all of these different big coins. You know, the top 10% or the top like 5% hold most of it, which isn't something that you should be. Well, it is something that you could be worried about, but you still haven't seen the people inside Dogecoin sell out. Like, I'm gonna show you something that's gonna shock you inside Dogecoin. The top Dogecoin wallets, they're actually more focused on buying more Dogecoin than selling. So you may look at this top Dogecoin wallet and say, wow, the top Dogecoin wallet sold 28 million here, 28 million there, and then 26 million here, all within 10 days. But what they don't look at is how the top Dogecoin wallet also bought 2 billion about 10 days before they did that. Not even 10, actually about 7 days before they did that. So that's a $2 billion purchase compared to pretty much $100 million purchase, or actually it's about $75 million or $75 million sale compared to this $2 billion purchase, $481 million purchase, $1.4 million purchase, or $1.4 billion purchase, $581 million purchase. You're seeing billions of dollars being bought, but you're seeing very small millions being sold. And this is by the top Dogecoin whale. The Shiba Inu whales kind of do the same kind of movements as the Dogecoin whales. They kind of do it the same way. So we're seeing a lot of people doubling down on both Shiba Inu, Dogecoin. This Dogecoin whale bought $1 billion worth of Dogecoin. So there, even though we have these huge whales that can manipulate the market so easily, they typically don't sell. Like, let's just be completely honest. They don't sell that as much as they buy. But anyway, SHIB update. SHIB looks like it could bounce here for another leg up following the orange path here. So if it can break the pink trend line, then I fear it will drop to the next high volume node. But if it could break the orange one, like going up, then we can go up. So this is pretty much what we're seeing with SHIB. They're predicting us to go 0.00006 and then completely parabolic from there. So we have some huge potential here in SHIB, and this is pretty much what they're talking about. This little orange line right here, they're like, look, if we can break out of this right now, we can do very good. But if it takes us over here to the end of the pink line, we could still do it, but we're going to have to do it later on in the future, which means if we do not break out right now, we're pretty much destined to go down to 0.00004 or possibly down to 3.5. But either way, we're still bullish in the long term. So that's pretty much what I like about this analysis. Like, it shows you even if we go down huge from here, we still go up long term. If we go up right now, we still go up long term, having a little bit of a pullback back to where we pretty much were about last week, and then having another huge bull run. So either way, we're bullish, and either way, there's going to be dips along the way. So that's pretty much what we see here with Shiba Inu. Now, anyways, this is all I got for y'all today. I wanted to bring you this because I know this is a big update. There's a lot that I just went over inside this short time period, so there's a lot to digest, a lot to take in. But yeah, I'm not a financial advisor, none of this financial advice. If you do like the video, though, hit the like button and subscribe. It really helps the YouTube channel out immensely for the YouTube algorithm. And also, if you want to help out the channel, definitely go ahead and send a Cash App or PayPal donation link in the description. You don't have to, though. Just hit the like button, subscribe. That'll work out as well, too. And also, if you want these automated trading indicators, definitely check out the Vital Algo link in the description and use the discount code Marsellis for 25% off. And as always, I'll be back with another video. Peace.